Yo, what's up guys, it is Seahawks area back with another video, and today doing another card opening. We got Panini Contenders 2023 football. There's 40 cards inside, 8 cards per pack, and there's 5 packs, and at the bottom it says, find one autograph or memorabilia card. And it has some rookies on the front like Anthony Richardson, Puka Nacua, Zay Flowers, JSN, Bijan Robinson, and Jahmyr Gibbs. So, let's open it. Alright, there's all of them. We'll set the box next to me this time so I can just throw the packs in, so I don't have to clean up another big mess like last time. So, here's what the packs look like. Let's open the first one. Alright. The first card is a DK Metcalf season ticket. I guess these are all season tickets. We got a Pat Surtain, Jamal Williams, and I have to turn these over every single time. We got Bryce Young, Max Crosby, CJ Stroud, a Anthony Richardson jersey patch, wow, and a draft class Contenders Trevor Lawrence of the Jacksonville Jaguars. Now the tied for Joe Burrow with the first highest paid quarterback in the NFL. Second pack. Maybe. There we go. Alright, we got George Pickens. Ew. Tyreek Hill, nice. Kyle Pitts, I hope he gets used more this year. Let's do it. Kirk Cousins. Travis Etienne. Nick Bosa. And a Jordan Addison rookie Stallions. And the same thing but for Puka Nacua. Okay. Pile number 2. Pack number 3. Alright. A Cortland Sutton. A Derek Carr. A Adam Thielen. A Will Levis, absolute cannon. I'm going to make that joke every single time. Jordan Love. Jalen Hurts, Sam Hubbard, and a Jalen Carter and Nolan Smith. All right. A 2-for-1. All right. Pack number 4. All right, we got a Tua Tagovailoa, I think I said it right for once. A Drake London, Foye Oluokun, Christian McCaffrey, Madden 25 cover, Micah Parsons, Ramondre Stevenson, just got a contract extension, a Harrison Smith, and a Dalton Schultz. Or no, that's Luke Schoonmaker. I saw 86 and I thought it was Dalton Schultz. Final pack. I missed Dalton Schultz on the Cowboys. He was a pretty underrated tight end there. Alright. Josh Jacobs. Derrick Henry. Jair Alexander. Hassan Reddick. Joe Burrow. Jalen Waddle. Desmond Ridder. And the final card, a Billy Sims 1980 NFL Draft. First overall pick. Fantastic. So I went on eBay to see if this Anthony Richardson card's really worth anything. Found one for $9, $9, 15, 12. So like the overall price would be like $9 to $10. I did the same with this Jalen Carter and Nolan Smith card. See if it'd be worth anything. $12, $2, $2. I thought these two would kind of be worth more than what they are, but I mean, if anyone wants this, I might put it up on eBay for like $10 maybe. Maybe I'll start doing that with my cards, like my most valuable ones. I'm going to look through all of them on eBay, see if they're worth anything, and I might start selling some cards. I'll keep you tuned in on that if you're interested. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss an upload. I will see you in the next video. Go Hawks!